Welcome everybody and good afternoon. Today we discuss a new chapter in indefinite integrals. The chapter is integration by parts. Integration by parts. We know ddx of fx plus minus gx. So this is equal to ddx of fx plus minus ddx of gx. Part the product of two function, derivative of product of two function ddx of fx into gx, this is not equal to ddx of fx into ddx of gx. This is not equal to. This is equal to ddx of two function fx into gx. This is equal to fx first function into derivative of another function plus second function into derivative of another function. This is the rule. Product of two functions, derivative of product of two functions. Now what is a rule? The indefinite integral of product of two functions. Let ux and vx be two functions. So the rule is integration u into v dx. U and v both are two functions. This is first function and this is second function. First we choose among these two functions, one is first function and another one is second function. So this is equal to first function into integration of second function. First function into integration of second function minus integration ddx of first function into integration v dx whole dx plus c. C is arbitrary integration constant. This is the rule. Integration u into v dx, this is equal to, for this choose u is first function and v is second function. U into integration v dx minus integration ddx of u into integration v dx whole dx plus c. This is the rule. Now I prove the result. Let u and w be two functions. We know ddx of u into w. So now this is equal to u into dw dx plus w into du dx or w into du dx. This is equal to ddx of or u into w. this is equal to u into w, this is equal to integration u into dw dx into dx plus w into du dx into dx. This is the u into w. U into dw dx into dx plus w into du dx into dx, or this equal to integration u into dw dx dx. This is equal to, this equals to this minus this, u into w minus integration w into, so write du dx into w, du dx into w dx. For this we choose, let dw dx, this is equal to v, dw dx this is equal to v, so therefore w equal to integration v dx, dw dx is equal to v, so therefore w equals to integration v dx, so therefore u into dw dx, this is v, u into v dx, this is u into w is integration v dx minus du dx into w is integration v dx whole dx. Now we prove the result integration by parts. The integration product of two function, u is first function, v is second function. First function into integrand of second function minus integrand of the derivative of first function into integrand of second function into dx. This is the integration by parts. And plus c is arbitrary constant. This is the rule. For choosing first function and second function, there is a rule. For choosing first function and second function, there is a rule. Rule is LIATE. L for logarithm function, I for inverse trigonometric function, A for algebraic function, T for trigonometric function, and E for exponential function. In a order, the product of two functions, another one function is algebraic function and one function is trigonometric function. So for this choose the algebraic function is first function and trigonometric function is second function. For example, another product of two function, inverse trigonometric function and trigonometric function. So inverse trigonometric function is first function and trigonometric function is second function. Now we derive some standard integrals. Integration e to the power ax sin bx dx and integration e to the power ax cos bx dx. This is equal e to the power ax divided by a square plus b square, a sin bx minus b cos bx. This is the formula. And second formula is e to the power ax divided by a square plus b square, a cos bx plus, in definite integral sign is a minus, so this is a minus sign, and in the cos is plus sign, so a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c plus c. Now I prove among two formula, I prove only one proof. Now I prove for 2. I prove for 2 using integration by parts. E to the power ax cos bx, product of two function, exponential function and trigonometric function. Exponential function and trigonometric function. So exponential function is second function and trigonometric function is first function. So this is first function and this is second function. So let I equal to this. I equal to e to the power ax into cos bx dx. So now first function into e to the power ax dx. First function into integral of second function minus ddx of cos of bx, ddx of cos of bx into integration e to the power ax dx whole dx. So now this is equal cos bx into e to the power ax by a minus the derivative of cos bx minus b sin bx. So minus minus plus b integration sin bx into integration of e to the power ax by a sin bx into e to the power ax. So now this is equal to cos bx into e to the power x by a plus b by a. This is the product of two function sin bx into e to the power ax. So choose. So this is exponential function and this is trigonometric function. Trigonometric function is first function. So sin bx into integration e to the power ax dx minus integration ddx of sin bx, ddx of sin bx into integration e to the power ax dx whole dx and third bracket close. So now this is I equal, this is the I equal to cos bx into e to the power ax by a plus b by a into sin bx into e to the power ax by a, the integration of e to the power ax, so e to the power ax by a minus, so derivative of sin bx b cos bx, so b is common, cos bx into integration of e to the power ax by a dx. So or I equal to e to the power ax into cos bx divided by a plus b by a square, b by a into a b by a square e to the power ax into sin bx minus b square by a square, b square by a square, and this is equal to I. This is into cos bx into e to the power ax dx. This is equal to I integration cos bx into e to the power ax dx. This is equal to I. So this is I, or 1 plus b square by a square into I. This is equal to, first two term remain, the LCM is a and a square. This is the LCM is a square. So a cos bx plus b sin bx into e to the power ax. So which implies I equals to I equals to e to the power ax divided by e to the power ax divided by the a square is LCM left hand side, so a square cancel both side, so this is a square by b square, e to the power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. Now I prove the result of 2. Yes, integration. So therefore integration e to the power ax cos bx dx, this is equal to e to the power ax by a square plus b square a cos bx plus b sin bx. So the one is homework. Prove that e to the power ax into sin bx dx, this is equal to e to the power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. C is the arbitrary constant. So now I prove 1 and 2 together using complex number. Now I prove 1 and 2 using complex number. Let p equals to, let p equals to integration e to the power ax cos bx dx and q equals to integration e to the power ax sin bx dx. And first one is p and second one is p and first one is q. Let so therefore p plus iq, I is a complex number, square root of -1, p plus iq. So now this is e to the power ax cos bx dx plus I into integration e to the power ax sin bx dx. So now this is integration e to the power ax is common, cos bx plus I sin bx. In complex number, this is a Euler form. E to the power I theta, this is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. This is Euler form. E to the power I theta, this is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So now this is equal to e to the power ax into e to the power I bx. Cos bx plus I sin bx, this is e to the power I bx. So now this is equal to e to the power a plus ib whole a plus ib into x. So now this is a form of e to the power z dz. A plus ib is a complex number. So this is a form of e to the power z dz, e to the power mz dz. So now the integration is e to the power a plus ib into x divided by a plus ib. The integration of e to the power mz dz, e to the power mz divided by m. So e to the power a plus ib into x divided by a plus ib. So now p plus iq. So therefore p plus, this is actually equal to p plus iq. P plus iq. This equal to e to the power ax into e to the power ibx split. Again a plus ib into x. This is e to the power ax into e to the power ibx divided by a plus ib into a minus ib In numerator denominator both are multiplied by a minus ib. So now this is equal to e to the power ax and value of e to the power ibx cos bx plus I sin bx into a minus ib divided by the a plus ib into a minus ib. This is a square plus b square. This is equal to e to the power ax divided by a square plus b square. Now product of two complex number, a cos bx real part minus I'm going to say plus b sin bx. This is real part plus I into imaginary part I into a sin bx minus b cos bx. So p plus iq, this is a complex number and right hand side is a complex number. If two complex number are equal, so real part equal to real part both sides and imaginary part equal to imaginary part. So therefore p equals to, in the left hand side the real part is p and right hand side the real part is e to the power ax a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. This is the real part and imaginary part left hand side q and right hand side imaginary part equals to q equals to I into a sin bx minus b cos bx. Now we prove 1 and 2 both are together in another way. So this is the result. Okay. Another formula, integration root over x square plus a square dx. So this is equal to x into root over of x square plus a square divided by 2 plus a square by 2 ln mod x plus root over of x square plus a square plus c. This is the third formula. Fourth formula, integration square root x square minus a square dx. So now this is x into root over of x square minus a square by 2 minus, this is plus sign and this is minus sign, a square by 2 ln mod x plus square root x square plus minus c. The formula 5, a square minus x square dx. A square minus x square dx. This is x into root over of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. Now I prove formula 3 and 4, any one. Now I prove the formula 4. After I prove formula 5. So now root over x square minus a square dx. So this is into 1. This is the algebraic function. So for this square root of, this is first function and this is second function. The square root of x square minus a square, first function into 1 into dx. First function into integration of second function minus integration ddx of square root of x square minus a square into integration 1 dx whole dx. So now this is equal to x into let I equal to, let I equal to this x into root over of x square minus a square minus integration ddx of this ddx of root x, this is 2x by 2 root x square minus a square into dx. So now 2 cancel, 2 cancel. Yes, integration of 1 dx, this is only x, into x into dx, into x into dx. So now this is equal to x into root over of I equals to x square minus a square minus, this is x square by square root x square minus a square. So now write minus a square plus a square dx. Now split them, or I equals to x into square root x square minus a square minus integration square root x square minus a square minus sign plus or minus a minus sign a square into dx by, this is dx, by root over of x square minus a square. This is actually equal to I. So I plus I 2i, or 2i equals to x into root over of x square minus a square, x into root over of x square minus a square minus a square, and formula of this ln x plus root over of x square minus a square. This is the formula, dx by root over of x square minus a square. So ln x plus root over of x square minus a square. So I plus I 2i, or I equals to x into square root x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 ln mod x plus the formula 4 plus c is an arbitrary integration constant. Next we prove formula 5. Next we prove formula 5. The formula 5 is integration root over of a square minus x square dx. Let this is equal to I, and this is equal to x into root over of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. So this is equal to I. So first function a square minus x square into integration of second function 1 dx minus ddx of first function root over of a square minus a square into dx whole dx, or I equal to, x into root over of a square minus x square minus integration derivative of this minus 2x by 2 root a square minus x square integration of dx x dx, 2 cancel. So x into root over of a square minus x square minus, this is minus a square minus x square plus a square, right? Sorry, minus a square, just this is a square, so write minus a square minus x into x minus x square plus minus a square cancel, this is minus x by divided by square root of a square minus x square dx. This is equal to x into square root a square minus x square minus, split them, integration square root a square minus x square dx, and minus minus plus, a square is constant, dx by root over of a square minus x square. This is equal to I. So r I plus I 2I, or 2I equals to x into root over of a square minus x square plus a square into formula of this sin inverse x by a, or I equals to x into root over of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c is the integration constant. Now I prove the last formula. Using this formula, try to sums of chapter 7. Okay, thank you. Next class I will do some sums from chapter 8. Okay, thank you.